Okay, YouTube. How we doing, folks? This is John. If you're seeing this video, this has got to be one of the first. I've been looking and looking, and I have not seen this application yet used with the Fitech system. So I've been all over the web, all over YouTube trying to figure this one out. So I said, screw it, I'm going to do it myself. I'll be the first one. We got the Fitech Ultimate LS system. This is the 500 horsepower system. Everything that comes with it. And we are going to put it on airboat application. First one I've seen. If they're out there, somebody go ahead and comment below. Let me know another video where somebody's done this. I just finished building the engine this week, a couple days ago. Putting it together. She's ready. 6-liter LS system. Dish pistons, LQ4 pistons, stock bottom end. I cleaned the heads up a little bit. I didn't pour them too much, trying to stay within that 500 horse range, and I guess you can go over it pretty quick depending on what you do. It's got the GM what's the GM cam, performance cam, hot cam. There we go. I'm trying that one for the first time. I haven't heard about anyone putting that in an airboat as well. So I'm going to try the GM hot cam with the Fitech system. Fitech system is clean. Let me tell you. Comes with this badass box. Alright, they're proud. Padding everywhere. Everything's quality. Can't get around it. I've been looking at everything detailed. Everything's quality. Nice ECU. Nice display. A roller button. Comes with your temp sensor, map sensor, throttle sensor, the brain fart here. Hold up. Well, y'all know what the hell that is. O2 sensor, IAC. There you go, IAC. Intake, air control. Yeah, whatever. If you got a comment on that, go for it. Fuel rails, clean, very clean. Surprised. Crossover fuel line for the rail. Bracketing goes right on the sides. We're going to put this together. All together. Yeah, this is mud daubers, just in case. I hate cleaning out thread holes. I've done it way too many times. So it also comes with a weld on or clamp on bung. There's a gasket in there for the O2 sensor. I'm going to weld it on. I'll have it welded on somewhere in there. It goes on the driver's side. Everything is labeled so well. I mean, here's all your accessories. Fan, tack, speedo. I mean, everything. I mean, if you can't figure out how to put this together, I mean, we got problems, folks. Your harness for the display. I mean, it is all here. Fuel injector harnesses. They clip in independently. Driver's side with a D. Passenger side with a P. I mean, come on, folks. Shouldn't have too much of a hard time with this. Coil wires, injector wires, coil harness, right here, plug, even says coil D, driver side, coil P, passenger side, throw that one over here. Grounds, knock sensors. That was one question that I had when I was purchasing the system. Does it come with knock sensors? It does not come with knock sensors, which is cool. All right, you guys give us a lot for the price. Can't beat it. So I bought knock sensors on Amazon. What is this? Falcon Road. Sent them real quick. Comes with 2 knock sensors in the box. I ordered them ahead of time. Boom. They even give you a friendly little card with some bunnies on it. You know, that's pretty sweet. So if you guys are interested, keep up with me. I'm going to be putting this together. I'm going to be videotaping it, trying to at least. This is one of my first, installations, YouTube installations. 92 millimeter intake on this one. I think it's a 102 for the 650 plus horsepower. It does come with a side bracket. I don't know, I read a review somewhere about it. So it doesn't come with the pool cable bracket on the side. It comes with it. Even has a gasket for the intake. It's right on the front there. All the cathedral port gaskets. I got a cathedral port head. I'm running the 799 heads on an LS1 6-liter. If you guys have any questions about parts and where I got them, what I got, ARP bolts, not studs. I just bought the regular bolts. I'm not going to go too much over 500 horse. I did use the dish pistons on it from the LQ4 because there's a possibility someday I'm going to step it up and put a turbo on it. So if I do that, I think I can just change this intake and my injector. So we have the 32-pound injectors, 35-pound injectors with the 500 horsepower system. Let's see, I haven't even opened them yet. There we are. Excited, man. The only problem with this whole system was, when I ordered it, I had to wait a whole 3 days to get it, and it drove me nuts. 3 days was just... Alright, I know, that was pretty quick shipping, but, I was anxious. I didn't sleep too well. Look at this. We've even got Fitech on the injector. Fancy. Very fancy. I do have some 55cc injectors from a 8.1. I believe they are the same. I'd probably just buy Fitech 55-pound injectors and the 102 intake if I was to change that up. So that's the system. That's what it comes with. Damn, it comes with everything, man. It is just a very well put together system. And of course, it will speak for itself as I install it. So hoping to get it on here. First airboat Fitech system that I've seen or heard of. I know a lot of people in the airboat world, and I have not seen it yet. So if you have an airboat and you're trying to get away from the water thunders that are, oh God, they're just, I'd rather not. If you know water thunder, you know what I'm talking about, folks. You know what I'm talking about. So I'm not going to go there. There's some standalone harness stuff out there that you have to deal with, getting someone to program it for you, and it's just a pain in the ass. Us airboaters, we're independent. We build our own boats. We want to do our own thing, and this is what I'm trying to accomplish. I want to do my own thing. I don't want anybody's help. I want to put it on my boat. I want to roll. I want to change my tune when I want to, and you can do that with this. Once you get your tune set up on the boat, you start riding it, it self-tunes. And again, I don't know a whole lot yet, but we will find out. Intake gaskets. I mean, it's all here. $1,500 shipped to my door. I am stoked. I am ready to get it going. All right, y'all. This is John, and I have that sliding dirty boat out there on the lake. So you'll see me rolling by with the Fitech system. All right, YouTube. Keep with me. I'll update you as I go. I still got a little ways to go. Got to put this together. So, all right, peace.